We strive to provide excellent customer service, and we really are well rounded to provide on-time delivery, excellent product.
American made, I feel good about that. I feel good about putting out that product, and we're family oriented and we're family made. And if we don't support American made products, then I feel like we won't have any anymore.
KMC products stand out because of the quality. I'd like people to know that KMC is very dedicated to their jobs, and we put a lot of heart and soul into what we do here.
I test the end result of our line and make sure it passes. We have a really nice environment to build our product in, and quality is number one.
We don't have high turnover, and I think that our people really care about what they're building. If you want to have parts manufactured in the United States, you need to purchase parts and things made in the United States, and that makes perfect sense. It's a full circle.
KMC is a great company to work for. They are very family oriented. It's a great bunch of people. When you come in, you don't feel like an outsider, you feel like family.
The people here are wonderful. They come to work every day with the intentions of making their products as best as we can. I'm proud to be a part of American company because we know where our products are coming from.